Let me define what unity is. Unity isn't unanimity of mind or thinking. It isn't that everyone understands and sees a situation in exactly the same way, or even agrees on the outcome as to what action should be taken. COVID was a very difficult time for us, as I think in many churches, and the issues of culture and society came into the boardroom. There were political issues. There was a difference of opinion, as there was in evangelicalism, as to whether you close your doors, whether you stay open, whether you wear the mask or you don't wear the masks, how you clean your church, do you have outside services, what do you do about distancing? All of those issues we had to deal with. And we were not all in agreement as to what was the wisest course of action.
Right.
But we were unified. We made decisions, and everyone supported the decisions that were made. We had some give and take. We had some raising of voices at times even over these matters because they were heartfelt. They were extremely practical. You were going against what some family members thought or friends thought. So it was a challenge,
Yes.
but we had people that supported what the decision was. And not only did the elders support it, but so did the congregation. And they were all over the place. And we got emails and we got feedback and we had concerns, but we lost very, very few individuals.
Yeah.
They continued to come, they continued to worship. We made decisions that we thought were honoring and glorifying to the Lord, and we as a board submitted to one another. So I think humility is huge. Believing that God called not only me, but God had called us.